This week's feast,
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the first ever episode of Feast of Fitness. We're gonna take you through some fitness routines and how to cook some healthy food from your favorite video games. And today we are doing the one and only PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds. All right, well, I'm ready to go. First steps, get some clothing. But let's get a run in. Come on. PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds is one of the biggest games in the world right now, but the idea of the quote last man standing in modern gaming culture all started here. Battle Royale, a classic and gruesome Japanese movie from 2000 where 42 ninth grade students are dropped on a deserted island and are forced to kill each other till there's one person left standing. It also features Beat Takeshi Kitano, one of the greatest Japanese actors of all time. You might recognize him from here, or here, or here. Anyway, fast forward to present, and pretty much everyone else has borrowed heavily from this idea to make their own youth dystopian fiction garbage, and now the Battle Royale idea is a mainstay of our society, and it has hit its peak with PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds. The goal of Battlegrounds is simple. Parachute onto a deserted island with 99 other people, gear up, get ready to fight, and battle or sneak your way to the center of a slowly closing circle to be the last fighter standing. And if you win, well, it's not any win, it's a winner-winner chicken dinner. You spend a lot of time in the game running, and this here is one of the best forms of exercise anyone can do. All you need is a pair of shoes and appropriate clothes, and you're off to the races. If you're looking for a great accessible form of cardiovascular workout, there are probably some awesome trails or paths around your area of all different lengths and intensities. So hit up the internet or ask around to find out where you can take a run. Being outside in nature is just awesome, hands down. Big part of PUBG is also going prone and crawling your way to victory, so, well, I guess let's just do it.
Oh, it's scratchy. Oh, yeah. It's a great full body workout, as well as just it hurts. So many thorns. Stand low. I'll take a break. Regard the view. It's beautiful. Okay, circle's closing. Here we go.
All right, we found the house. I'm sick and tired of not looking like a real PUBG character, so let's see what workouts and clothing we can find inside. Oh wait, crossbow's useless in PUBG. We're doing hill runs, but we're also zigging and zagging all the way up and down. This is a great cardiovascular exercise, and if you want, you can even weigh yourself down by putting more weight in your backpack if you're a crazy person. But I only have a level 1 backpack and a level 0 spirit, so let's see how this goes. Ready? Let's go. That sucked. Yeah, that's all I gotta say about that. All right, now that we've got our workout in, let's head to the kitchen and start cooking this chicken dinner. Normally when people think about the chicken dinner you win at the end of Battlegrounds, they're gonna go towards the fried chicken route. Well, that ain't healthy. And this is Feast of Fitness, so here's our chicken dinner that's healthy and delicious. Thinly slice your onion, cube your potatoes, and add it all to a baking pan. Coat with some olive oil, salt and pepper, and toss it all together to mix. In a separate bowl, combine your soy sauce, olive oil, red wine vinegar, oregano, rosemary, garlic, salt and pepper, and stir thoroughly. This is how we're giving our chicken dinner its flavor. Brush and coat both sides of the chicken, including the cavity, with the mixture you just made. Place it in the oven at 375 degrees for an hour and a half, removing it every 30 minutes to rebrush with your soy sauce mixture and stirring the vegetables around. It's not fried, but we can still make it crispy, so broil the top for 5 to 10 minutes when it's done and remove the chicken from the oven, and voila! You've made a chicken dinner fit for any winner. This delicious dish has chicken seasoned from top to bottom and cooked through, and it's surrounded by a bed of crispy onions and soft potatoes. Remove the chicken, and it's time to carve it up. Separate the thighs and the wings, then slice off the breasts and divvy the rest up. Serve this together with your veggies, and dinner is ready.
Are you ready? Yeah, I cannot wait.
Chicken dinner, it belongs to me. I deserve it.
Why? Because you're the winner.
Yeah, look at this. Healthy piece of chicken right here.
It's a really nice looking piece of chicken. You know what the best part about roasting a chicken?
What?
Is all the like delicious drippings that you get in the pan that then you can like make into a sauce and pour over the chicken. Mm-hmm. You're a double winner chicken dinner.
You're a winner chicken dinner. You know what it needs?
Hot sauce?
Hot sauce.
Why does hot sauce make everything better?
I don't know. Breakfast was the first time I really ever ate spicy food, and I didn't realize it, but it's one of the best meals for spicy food, and for that I'm very grateful.
I'm new to the hot sauce on your breakfast.
Everything.
Kind of thing.
Eggs, hash browns, not pancakes.
No.
Not waffles.
Unless it was a savory. That's not true. Chicken and waffles, hot sauce on the chicken.
That's true, it might spread. We hope you enjoyed the very first Feast of Fitness. If there are other video games or things in the world that you think we should make a fitness routine around, please leave a comment in the comment box. All right, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.